equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the compatible panel on your Thermomix TM31. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a compatible replacement panel ready to install. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back panel away from the main body of the Thermomix. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. As you do this, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the appliance with your soft cloth. A clean environment is essential for the longevity of your device. Now, locate the old panel that you wish to replace. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to it. It's important to remember the configuration of these wires, so take a photo if necessary. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. With the old panel removed, it's time to install the new compatible panel. Align it properly and reconnect the wires as per your earlier reference. Ensure that all connections are secure to avoid any operational issues. Once the new panel is in place, gently push the back panel of the Thermomix back into position. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. This will ensure that everything is held firmly in place. After securing the back panel, it's a good idea to give the exterior of your Thermomix a quick wipe down. This not only keeps it looking great but also helps maintain hygiene. Now, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source. Turn it on and check that the new panel is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, if you're unsure about any step in this process or if you'd prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the compatible panel on your Thermomix TM31. Enjoy your cooking with your newly updated appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.